That means basically Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, like in Surah Al-Hajj, هو الذي سماكم المسلمين. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that He is the one who called you Muslims. You are Muslims. But now, when you are into an environment where the word Islam does not basically give what you are, because we have different, you are now Muslims, factions now. So you're going to say Muslim, and so it's say Sunni or Shia. You're going to say Muslim. If you say that, I definitely will know that you are a Shia. Definitely. Because the Sunni will say, I'm a Sunni. But the one who's a Shia is, he doesn't want to show his madhab, so he just hides behind that. So the Sunni will say, I'm a Sunni. But you don't say from the beginning, I'm a Muslim Sunni, do you? Or Muslim Sunni Salafi. You don't say that. You say Muslim. But when he's saying that he's Shia or Sunnah, you don't say I'm a Muslim. You say what? A Sunni. And then if he says to you, are you following a party? Party says, no, I'm not. Sunni. Alhamdulillah. Are you following a partisan like this and that? No, I'm not. Sunni. Alhamdulillah. Okay, on the Kitab wa Sunnah, and what is the understanding? Sahaba, companions, Salaf. Okay, so the word Salafi these days, it's like a trademark being used. A trademark. It hasn't been in the right category. So you need to make sure when you say Salafi, okay, that you need to make sure that the person in front of you understand what you're talking about. خاطب الناس على قدر عقولهم. That's what Ali ibn Abi Talib said. Talk to the people according to their mentality. Do you understand that? If you speak to them above their mentality, you mislead them. So talk to them according to what they are. So choose the right thing to him. أتريدون أن يغفر الله ورسوله. Do you want Allah to be disbelieved because of your words when you speak above their level? So you need to explain to the person. So as I said, in an environment where they don't these people, when you say Salafi, Salafi means terrorist. Some of the environments, terrorist. I mean, you're holding a gun in your, or a bomb in your pocket or something like this. Or in an environment which is, polluted, they would say, which type of Salafi that is, that super diesel Salafi or unleaded Salafi, classical Salafi or jihadi Salafi or Allah al-Musta'an, even got categories of that. So you have to be careful. I would say, explain to the person, I am not affiliated to any party. I follow the Prophet ﷺ in his pristine at the time of the companion, the naqa, there's clarity, Sahaba radiallahu anhum. Oh, you are from follow the Salafi side. Yes, from the Salafi. If you understood that, alhamdulillah.